Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Do let me know in the comment section. Meeting here after a long time. I wanted to post this video but I took forever to edit this, so finally I could. So in today's video I'll be giving you a small tour of our living area. I hope you'll enjoy the video, so stay tuned. So as you enter, this is what you will see. A small sitting area where we spend most of the time of our days. To its left, we have my workspace. I had given a very detailed tour of that area already. You can check that out. I'll link it in the description box. Next to that, we have our puja area or mandir. And then we have the TV. As you can see, we have lots of plants in our home. Some we bought over the past years and some we propagated. This monstera being the first ever plant of our house. I just love her. I feel she is the star of our living room. And it's actually a great plant to keep, very low maintenance and forgiving. And this is where our Buddhaji rests, which makes her more special. Moving on, we have more plants. A small gallery wall. Some are my paintings, some are collected over the years. Basically mix and match. Some books here and there to utilize the space below. This box basically stores all our cables, charging wires, very useful and avoids the clutter. Now this is again a DIY from a tablecloth which my Pishi bought from Gujarat years back. This is one of my favorite possessions, a Patachitra I got from Mumbai airport I think 2 years back. Next to that, I have a small sitting space by the window. Absolutely love this. This is a new addition. This was actually our dining table bench which I varnished and it fit here beautifully. Since our sofa is a small one, this adds some more seating space, and what a nice place to read a book enjoying the view outside. Well, next comes the sofa. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that we changed it. I wanted a lighter shade and something lounge-like and open. This fits our requirement and I absolutely love it. The center table is of course the same one which we had. If you can tell, we went for neutrals, wood and few accents of yellow. Well, yellow was already there and now because of fall, you can see it's all over the place. This is again a DIY candle from last year. Check out the video if you haven't, link will be in the description box. The living space flows to the dining room and then to the kitchen. This room is big enough, but as you can see, we have planned each area for different utilization. This table again was a very cheap buy from Amazon, and I recently gave this a makeover. We'll share a separate video on that. The two chairs that you see are actually old garden chairs. I gave a fresh coat of varnish and they were good to go. I think they really go well with the vibe with the cream cushions. Next we have a chest of drawers, which you might have seen in my coffee station video. This used to be our coffee station slash breakfast corner, but we moved it now. So it's mostly storage, and who can tell, this was actually a €5 buy from Facebook Marketplace. A great bargain, isn't it? Next we have created a small sitting just to enjoy the beautiful view outside and to sip in a hot cup of chai or coffee. We tried utilizing the big windows as much as we could. In spring we have beautiful lavender bed outside. In winter we get amazing morning sunlight here, and of course it's so beautiful in snow. This night queen here is all the way from Assam, kept it indoors and is doing pretty well. You might have guessed by now, I love flower arrangements and I make different ones based on the season. We also have some prints at the back which I have framed. I love the quirkiness that they add. The cabinets here connect to the kitchen. It's an open kitchen. It initially seemed very difficult to maintain an open kitchen, but now I feel open kitchen is the best for me considering the amount of time I spent there. A small fall arrangement again, very similar to the one I showed in my last video. Link will be in the description. I guess I get most of the compliments in Instagram for my kitchen, and if you are from my Instagram family, you might notice the plates here are missing. Unfortunately, they broke, and this is my new DIY. Some old unused spatulas just tied up and hung beautifully, and they're good to go. So this is how the kitchen looks right now. I'll give you a detailed kitchen tour later. Let me know if you are interested. Well, our home in general is very budget friendly. We wait for the best deals in Amazon, then buy from the Facebook Marketplace, look out for free stuffs on the roads, and then do some makeover or refurbish them to use them according to our needs. But it has to be something we love, we enjoy, or has some emotional connections. Well, this is how home should be, isn't it? Adorned with your personal touch, where you can be you, where you feel peaceful, which you can call your comfort zone. I don't have any definite decor style, but I absolutely love when the decor is a reflection of the people living in the house. These were some of the changes that we did over the last couple of days. With festive season coming up, I thought this will be a nice time to bring in some change. So this was it, a piece of my comfort zone. If you have enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making it, then don't forget to mention it in the comments, like the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. It is absolutely free but will definitely motivate me. You can also follow me on Instagram. I post regularly with new recipes and some decor posts. My Instagram handle is BeingDeb official and my website is www.beingdeb.com. Hope to see you over there. I hope you all have a nice day. Until next time, bye bye.